Hi, Andrew Cherin. I'm a personal injury lawyer here in Seattle, and I represent people who are injured in car accidents. And today I want to talk to you about traffic law that is kind of a misnomer that many people commonly believe is true, but actually is not. So when it comes to driving and turning, most people think that when they see a solid yellow line or a double solid yellow line, that they can't take a left across it. And that's actually wrong. If you look at the law that I'm looking at in RCW 4661150 has to do with divided highways and yellow lines, and it says that you cannot pass on those lines where it's a solid yellow or a double solid yellow line, but it doesn't say you can't turn across that. And then to look further at that, I looked at Seattle Municipal Code 11.14.385, no passing zone. And no passing zone it has to do with the yellow line, the solid yellow line or double yellow line. A single solid yellow line, and then a dotted yellow line on the other side means one side of the dotted line can overtake another car that's stopped, or the solid line has to do with you can't overtake that car. So it has nothing to do with turning. You can do anything as far as turning, but you cannot pass cars at a time because it has to do with safety and distance seeing in front of you. And that kind of has to do with the distance that you could pass somebody, which has to be kind of a significant amount of space, for your visibility to see if you're going to actually pass somebody. And so that's kind of why it doesn't really apply to a turn where you kind of just need to be able to see, what's in front of you. Then I looked further into the law, SMC 1155-140, saying left turns between intersections. So it says that you can take a left turn between intersections so long it does not delay traffic on the other side coming the other direction on a one-lane street. So as long as someone that's behind you can get around you on a one-lane street, or if it's a two-lane street and you're trying to take a left, you can do that safely so long as it does not unduly delay, or delayed or stopped vehicles could have safely passed a left turning vehicle on the right without stopping or being delayed. Such left turns are permitted. Then I looked at the SMC Seattle Municipal Code 1155.040 left turns, and it says that to make a left turn, you shall approach the left turn in the extreme left hand lawfully available to the traffic moving in the direction of travel of such vehicle. Whenever predictable, the left turn shall be made to the left of the center of the intersection and so as to leave the intersection or the other location in the extreme left hand lane lawfully available to the traffic moving in the same direction as such vehicle on the roadway being entered. So that has nothing to do with the yellow line really either. All indications on all the law that I've seen, you can take a left turn across a solid yellow line. The Seattle Times even interviewed a traffic engineer and posted in one of their articles about turning left across a double solid yellow line. And the traffic engineer from Washington, I'm not sure exactly where he's from, he said that you can do that as long as there's no signs that say that you can't cross that solid yellow line. So if there's no signs, there's no barrier blocking you from turning left, like some kind of median in the middle of the road, by all means, Washington state law, it seems to indicate in Seattle that you can turn across a solid double yellow line as long as there's no signs or median in between. So, I normally thought myself, I was thinking a double yellow line, I can't turn across that. I'll have to go to the next block, take a right, come back around or something, or figure something else out, but I can't go across that solid yellow or double solid yellow line, when in fact actually you can. The law says you can cross that solid yellow line so long as those things don't happen, like I said earlier. Anyways, guys, if you've been in a car accident, I give free consultations, so feel free to give me a call. My number is 206-850-6716. And if you want to find out more information about car accident injury cases and car accidents and traffic law, visit my website, www.lawcherin.com.